Okay, so what we're gonna do here, I wanna make a few pictures with this. And you see I put a media mod on it. I'm pretty excited about that. I like how you got the front screen too. So this is the GoPro 10. It's the first time that I've used it. I'm gonna be trying some stuff. I just put it on standard, the 120 feet per second, linear. And that's what I'm gonna start with, but it's got so many cool settings on here. You got the regular linear that I would use most of the time. The widescreen is what I started using. The super view is even bigger, narrow. I do like the linear leveling. So you turn it, come on, it's just telling you how it works. So you turn it and it corrects it. It makes it go straight up. I think it's pretty cool. It's on minimal right now, but yeah, that may be something that I'll have to get used to. I don't know if this is waterproof, but I'm gonna find that out too. So if you pull off the back piece, I can't get it off. It's probably a good thing. It's got a lot going. Oh, that's why I don't want to rip that, but cool. So what I'm gonna do today is actually just take some pictures out here for my thumbnail. So it's got wide. Let's see what kind of settings we got on there. I haven't explored the picture settings yet. Super photo. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go with super photo. Wide lens, linear, narrow. Definitely gonna go with wide so we can get everything in there. Zoomed out, I want it zoomed out. And this is just for a photo, so I'm gonna go with that. But I do have to pull it up on my phone. So it's got multiple timers on there too. And the best thing that I like about these, well, that's not it. That's the max. There we go. Hero 10, control your GoPro. I heard they still haven't fixed the issue with recording and watching what you're recording. I don't understand why you would mess that up. That is something that I use daily to make videos. And I had returned 2 9s just because of that. And I heard that the 10's the same way. So I'm hoping that I'm really impressed with this camera. I really want to keep this camera, but we're gonna find out. If they don't fix that, I'm gonna have to figure something else out. That's the only thing. So it looks like I've already picked up some stuff. Let's go on here. I've already got a little bit of water on there too. So we're gonna run out front. I'm gonna keep this down. I got it on an extension pole, so you can see everything that you're doing. Let's try this. I haven't even tried it. So here's my recording. It's recording the same thing that's on here. When I push record, preview not available. See, that's not good. That's not good for me. I use it every day. I use a 7 every day. And when that pops up, preview not available, they said that it was because their processor wasn't fast enough and it was heating up. Well, they put double the processor in this camera. Why? Why? I don't understand. They need to fix that. GoPro, if you're watching, please get that issue resolved. That's a major deal breaker for me. All right, so let's see here. We're gonna do this in the rain too. Let's see if we can go ahead and capture a quick photo. Hopefully all of my head don't get soaked. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead and keep this on my stomach here, walk out to the front of the lot. Flip this all the way out. Come all the way up with it. The good thing is the rain's at my back. The lens is still clean on this one. We're gonna throw it way up in the air. Look at that picture there, Alec. This guy's ugly truck sitting here. See his face. Oh, that's funny. He said what? Talking about. All right, so I've got 3 photos there. Lens is still clean. Doesn't look like we have any issues there. I have no clue what y'all's lens look like because you're up on my head, but everything's getting wet. Phone, camera. Now this is gonna be the battle here, getting this shot. Because as soon as I lift this camera up, we gotta do it. Ooh, I like that. The wide lens looks pretty cool up here too. Step back a few steps. That lens has got to be covered in water now. All right. So yeah, the reason I don't like what they've done with the video is I stick this camera way outside the car. I don't know what I'm looking at there. I can see it here, but when I hit record, I can't see it anymore. I can't see. That's a major deal breaker for me. Like, I use the 7s all the time that exact same way. So let's see, lens is still dry and a couple little dots on it. Well, this is my first experience. I haven't used it yet, just for pictures. We're gonna try to do some test drives, but until they fix that camera mode, I don't know, man. Well, I'm gonna go inside and set my thumbnail, because I do all the thumbnails just like this. Dry off my equipment and post the walk around video. This is my first experience with the new GoPro. I'm really liking the mic. We'll find out if it withstands water out here, hopefully, because I haven't used it yet. And if you're with GoPro, please fix that issue. I need that. I have to have that for work. All right, thanks again, guys.